Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Kraken Pro for trading, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Kraken Pro for trading, start by visiting the official Kraken website. Click on the sign up button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Enter a valid email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security criteria provided. Check the box to confirm you accept the Kraken terms of service. Select your location from the drop-down menu. Click Create Account to proceed to the next step. You will receive a verification email from Kraken. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, return to the Kraken website and log in using your email and password. Next, complete the identity verification process by providing the required personal information. This may include your full name, date of birth, and address. Upload a government-issued ID for verification. After submission, wait for your documents to be reviewed by Kraken. This process typically takes a few minutes to a few hours. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email. Log back into your Kraken account. To enable trading, set up two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Go to your account settings and find the two-factor authentication option. Follow the prompts to link your authentication app. Now, deposit funds into your account by selecting the Funding tab. Choose your preferred method of funding, whether it's a bank transfer or cryptocurrency deposit. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your deposit. Once funds are deposited, navigate to the Trade tab. Select your desired trading pair from the available options. Review your order details and click on Buy or Sell to execute your trade. Continue learning about the platform's features to enhance your trading experience. You are now ready to start trading on Kraken Pro. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.